Hi, in the last video, we built our first AI agent that could use one tool. Today, we make the agent more intelligent. It will have multiple tools and decide which one to use. This is how real AI agents work. So let's move on and understand it. Alright, so let's define the goal, and the goal would be we'll ask about today's date, and we will calculate some we'll perform some calculation. So for that, let me define goal equals to tell me today's date and also calculate, say, 24 into 4. So this we have defined goal. Now the goal requires more than one action, and agent must decide which tool to use. All right, so let's move on and create decision logic. So for that, define agent underscore brain, and then we will pass goal and observation, observation, and then print f and thinking, thinking about goal. And what we will pass, goal here, then all right, again print f observation, observation so far, and we will pass observation, observation here, and then all right. So if date in goal dot lower and date underscore done not in observation, then return return action action and get underscore date. Again we will perform one more if condition. If calculate in goal dot lower and underscore done, we'll put in not in observation, observation. Then what we will do, return an action and calculate. All right, and then return action done. Let's run it. All right, so the agent decide which task is still pending. Now let's define tools. So for that, import date time, then define get underscore date and return time dot date dot today. Okay, dot strf time, and then we'll define %b %d comma %y, and again we will define calculator. So calculate calculate return return star 25 into 4. Alright, let's run it. Now we will define agent loop. So for that, observation observation equals to for step in range, and let's say if decision equals to agent dot brain, and will pass goal dot observation observation, and now print agent dot decision, and then decision. All right, if get underscore date in decision, then result equals to get underscore date. All right, and observation plus equals to f date underscore done, and will pass result result. All right, and then print tool output and result. Else if calculate in decision, then result equals to calculate observation equals to f and calc underscore done, and then result, and then now print tool output comma result. Okay, now else break break, and will perform print fine print an final observation comma observation observation. Okay, so let me verify and run it. All right, so we got error here. It's saying like, name agent is not defined. So what I've done here, it should be underscore here. Now let's run it. Okay, so here first line you can see thinking about the goal. Tell me today's date and also calculate 25 into 4. Okay, so agent think about it, and it has done the calculation and shared today's date here. Also it has performed the calculation, okay, which is 100. So the final observation, it has shared today's date and the calculation 25 into 4. So this is powerful because agent has multiple skills. It selects tools, okay, and it keeps track of completed task, and it stops when the task is done. So this is a kind of basic task planning. So a real agent use LLM for reasoning and dozen of tools. This simple structure is the foundation of enterprise AI agents. Next, we will give the agent memory and allow it to interact with external knowledge. So see you in next video. Thank you.